Here are the fast 5 natural sounds with surprising causes. 1. The ocean roaring at night, caused by distant storms and low-frequency waves traveling long distances. 2. Whistling winds in mountains. Air is forced through narrow rock gaps, creating audible vibrations. 3. Booming sand dunes. Dry sand grains slide and vibrate, producing deep humming or booming sounds. 4. Ice cracking on frozen lakes. Temperature shifts cause ice to expand and contract rapidly. 5. Forest popping and snapping. Trees release internal stress as temperatures change, especially at night. Nature is louder than it looks.